Is your Samsung Tab A7 not connecting to Wi-Fi or keeps dropping the connection? You're not alone, and in this video, we'll walk through every proven fix that's helped real users get reconnected. Let's dive in. Step 1. Restart the tablet and Wi-Fi. One of the most effective fixes is restarting both the Samsung Tab A7 and the Wi-Fi router. Temporary software bugs and memory conflicts can prevent the tablet from establishing a stable connection. Power off the tablet completely and unplug your Wi-Fi router for at least 30 seconds before turning everything back on. Step 2. Toggle Wi-Fi and airplane mode. If restarting doesn't work, toggling Wi-Fi or airplane mode can reset the wireless radios inside the tablet. Turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. You can also enable airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and then disable it. This forces the device to reinitialize its wireless connections. Step 3. Forget and reconnect. Saved Wi-Fi networks can become corrupted over time, especially after router changes or password updates. Go to Wi-Fi settings, tap on your connected network, and choose Forget. After that, reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. This creates a fresh network profile and has been one of the most successful solutions. Step 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings clears all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network configurations without deleting personal data. This is extremely effective if the issue is caused by hidden configuration conflicts. Go to Settings, open General Management, select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. After restarting the tablet, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test the connection again. Step 5. Update Tab A7. Software. Outdated system software can contain bugs that affect Wi-Fi connectivity. Samsung frequently releases updates that fix network stability issues. Go to Settings, open Software Update, and check for available updates. Installing the latest update has resolved Wi-Fi connection problems for many Tab A7 users, especially after major Android updates. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the previous fixes work, a factory reset may be necessary. This should only be done after backing up all important data, as it erases everything on the device. A factory reset restores the tablet to its original software state and removes deep-level software bugs that cannot be fixed otherwise.